This is a troll. And this is not a troll. This is Gita. And like all the townspeople in Epcot's Norway Pavilion, Gita is actually from Norway. Hey, do they have a 4th of July celebration in Norway?
Yes, we have, but we have ours in May. Got everything, parades and everything, but not the fireworks.
Oh, my dear. Wherever you are, there are fireworks. You know, Gita is just one of the many reasons that the Norway Pavilion makes you feel like you're actually in Norway. One more thing, Gita. I'm here for the world premiere of the famous Maelstrom thrill ride. Do you think I should go in the first boat?
Ja, så tufft nog till det.
I beg your pardon?
That means either you have to be very brave or very foolish.
Well, I'm halfway there. Well, I'm... Okay. Hey, you know, it's decision time, and Webster defines Maelstrom as a powerful, often violent whirlpool, sucking in objects within a given radius. To ride or not to ride? That is the question. I have the answer. No, I'm not riding. You ride. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bon voyage. Good sweet. Bye-bye. Hey, all right. Looks like you made it. Maybe you got a little wet out there, huh? Hey, tell me, what'd you think about it?
Oh, it was great. I really enjoyed it.
Fantastic.
Great family ride, and I especially enjoyed the storm at the North Sea.
Oh, that's fun. You like things like that. Oh, boy, I'm glad I didn't go. But let's take a look at that ride for ourselves. Dynamite. You know, that looks like something Jane and Bryant might enjoy, but not moi, because I'm your basic chicken. You know, on the Today Show, I had the pleasure of wishing a happy birthday to lots of wonderful ladies and gentlemen who've turned 100. Well, tonight, I have a special pleasure to wish a very special lady a very happy 212th birthday. Happy birthday, America.